Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Obsession with Media. Before starting the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon that you receive notification for the new video. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This video is about the story Triumph of the Underdog. It means success of that person who overcomes challenges and achieves great success. From this story, you will learn a lot and will never give up. In a small town, girl who dreams of becoming a professional basketball player. She is not the tallest or the most athletic, but she is determined and works hard every day. Despite facing doubts and challenges, she never gives up. Through unflagging determination, she earns a spot on a college team. In her first game, she faces a highly skilled opponent. No matter what, she doesn't get scared or let it stop her. She stays strong and keeps going. With her unwavering spirit, she makes a game-winning shot, leading her team to victory and becomes successful in her goal. So in the conclusion, this story shows that with passion, hard work and belief in oneself, even underdogs can rise and triumph. So definitely you can also achieve your goal. You should have to keep struggling until you achieve your goal. And never give up. You have to face the difficulties in achieving your goals. You will face people who will tell you that you can't. But you have to ignore that negativity and keep going. Jack Ma says that never give up. Today is hard, tomorrow will be worse, but the day after tomorrow will be sunshine. So keep struggling and a day will come that you will be a triumph person in life. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.